Hi everyone, in this we are going to do an assignment which will incorporate the for loop, range function and also if-else statement. So in this example, we are illustrating the combination of an else statement with a for statement that searches for prime number from 10 to 20. So let's do that together. And in order to do that, first of all, we have to iterate between 10 to 20. For that, let's create a for loop for num in range (10 to 20). And to iterate on the factors of the number, let's create another for loop for I in range 2 to num, the number. Then to determine the first factor, let's do num modulo division I, and let's check that by assigning the result to 0 in if condition. If num modulo division I equal to 0, then in order to calculate the second factor, let's do j equals num divided by I, and let's print all the three values in fashion like print, then %d equals %d again into %d at the end percentage, then in braces num comma I comma j, and this %d is get replaced by num, which is an integer. That's why this %d, and this %d is get replaced by this I into %d again, which is replaced by this j. And after that, a break statement to move to the next number, and then an else statement, which is not the else of this if here, else just print num comma is prime number. So that's it. Let's save it and go to the terminal in order to see the result. So I am in the downloads directory where the file IO resides, and to run python file IO.py. Here it will print in this fashion. Sorry, I am just getting rid of this another terminal window. Now let's look at this. 10 equals to 2 into 5. Then 11 is a prime number. 12 equals to 2 into 6. 13 is a prime number, and so on up to 19. But it doesn't take this 20, since this range will take only values from 10 to 20 minus 1, which is 19. So that's all about range function, for loop